Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to pay with Cash App on Amazon. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to be needing the Cash App application. So if you do not already have the application, what you need to do is to go ahead and download it. So go to the App Store if you have not already downloaded it. Go ahead and open up the search bar, and in the search bar search for Cash App. After searching for Cash App, you're going to be greeted by the application that you want to go ahead and download. So after downloading the application, you can go ahead and get started logging in either with your phone number or with your login info, however you prefer. And once you have the logged in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. So this is going to be your home page where you can take a look at your cash balance, you have your savings options and all the other settings that you have, and now we can get started making payments. So basically guys, what we need is right here at the bottom of the page. As you can see, in the middle of the page is the dollar sign, and left to the dollar sign is our card's info. So what you can do is first add your card that you want to go ahead and associate with Cash App so that you can go ahead and fill it up however you prefer, or you can just go ahead and directly click on this dollar sign in the middle of the page. The dollar sign is going to take you to the payments page. From the payments page, you can get started making any payments. You can go ahead and scan QR codes, you can go ahead and fill out personal payments, doesn't matter. Everything you need is going to be doable right there from the payments page. So you want to go ahead and set up everything. So once you're paying in Amazon, it's going to enable you to pay with Cash App, and once you open it up, you'll be able to add your Cash App info. So click the info option in the Amazon payment section, click the option to add the Cash App section, and then you'll be able to add all your info from Cash App and just confirm your payment after you have gotten your balance right here. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.